Good morning to you guys. How is everyone doing today? Comment down below. How's your day going? Morning, night, whatever. Comment it down below. But today's video, I'm gonna do an oil change on the car. I'm way past. I'm at like 7K miles. This is like rare for me. I rarely go past that miles. I usually change my oil around 4K, 3 or 4 thousand, mainly because I want to keep it, nice and good. But I've been really lazy lately. Guys, do not forget to do your oil change. Do not forget, that is the most important thing if you want your car to last long. I'm going to the shop because we have everything I need over there. So I'll see you guys at the shop. Who knows, you might be able to see the Civic. Well guys, here it is. I just drove it actually. My uncle was working on the suspension on it, checking everything on it, suspension wise. But yeah, as you guys see, it's still pretty much fucked. Like the rear end is completely destroyed, untouched yet. I already got this big quarter panel right here. Suspension, as you see, we got the suspension for it already as well. Now I am so used to my clutch because it's so heavy. This thing's clutch is stupid light. I get why some of you guys on Instagram told me if I'm gonna make it faster to upgrade the clutch, because Jesus, this thing is stupid light. This thing, I'm just waiting on Jimmy to come through. If you guys don't know who that is, that's the guy who is going to work on the quarter panel. He used to work for my dad a couple years back, and ended up going on his own, doing his own thing. And now sometimes we take him cars, and I'm taking him mine. You guys will see. But yeah, guys, I'm currently letting the car cool down. I already lifted it up on the jacks, as you guys see over there. And as you see, all this damage is happened to the car. Look at that big ass crack right there. Oh my god. I'm trying to replace this part, but it's like 400 bucks to replace, so yeah, not gonna happen. But as you see, there's damage around the like in front of the axle. That's all scratched up. Yeah, it's pretty bad. That is why I'm gonna raise the car, and you can also see there's some fluid coming out of the axle. I'm gonna have to replace that. But yeah, guys, this really sucks. Don't lower the car like me. So yeah, guys, car's all straight now. Oil change is done. This car, pretty much the suspension is all done. Gotta check the fronts, make sure everything is good. Check everything else, everything is good. Quarter panel we already bought for the car. But yeah, guys, we got the quarter panel for the car. All we gotta do is install it, get the trunk on, head, tail lights, rear bumper. That's all we're missing, just tail lights, rear bumper, trunk. I think the spoiler needs to be replaced as well, so we might have to get that. And yeah, that's about it. Here is the quarter panel, guys. Cut the quarter panel off of a normal 2016 Honda Civic. Good thing about these is the rear is the same as a regular Honda Civic. It's not wider or anything like that, so it's easier to replace. It's not harder to find the parts for it. Ain't nothing better than the first drive with fresh oil on your car. It's better to show what I got at night. So let's open this thing up and I'll show you guys what we got. Let me open it up so you guys can see what we got right here. They're lights for LED. They're LED lights. These are for the car, and we're about to go install them right now. These are for two of these, I believe, are going to be for the rear reverse lights, and one is going to be for the trunk, and the other two are going to be for the two of them are going to be for the inside cockpit. those lights that are on top. I'll go show you guys right now when we go do this right now. So let's go. Wish it was for better lighting, but I mean, so you guys see this yellow light? We're about to replace this one first. So this is how it looks right now, and I will show you guys after installing it. And that is the after. As you guys see right there, a lot brighter. This is how it looks lighting up over here. You can't really tell because of all the lights up here outside, but yeah, that is the light currently right now how it is. So let's move on to the next one. I'm also going to be replacing these lights for when you go in reverse, but those I'm going to do another day, considering the fact that I have to take all of this apart. Alright, so this is the lights right now. This is how it lights up everything. It's all like yellowish. Alright, so we just installed them, and this is the after basically. Way brighter. You guys see it's a lot wider and cleaner. It's way better. Alrighty guys, so right now I'm gonna take out my interior. As you see, oh, it looks so good. It's the next day after I installed this one and the ones in the cockpit. I'm going to show you guys how it looks with both of them on, and we'll see how amazing the difference is on the brightness and everything. It looks so good and like bright. I really like this. This is way better. Here, look, it's just lighting up the whole thing. Now the whole car has LEDs on the license plates, LEDs right here. This one's LEDs that's disconnected right now from the back. LEDs in the cockpit, and in the front, you got these. Pretty sure you guys can tell from here that that light is out. Also, as you guys see, this is not sticking anymore, and I see there's red still from the old paint on the headlights. I'm gonna see if we could repaint those. I'm gonna see if we could do my demonized brighter, because you can't even see them sometimes. Like, it could be pretty dark already, the sun's going down, and you struggle to see them. So I'm gonna see if we can do that as well. Right now, I'm just getting off of work. I just wanted to end this video. I know there's not a lot that I've done in this video. It's a pretty boring video. It's just little minor things that I did to the car. I hope I don't scrape here. This is where I scraped last time. Oh man, just send it. Oh shit. But yeah, I'm gonna be lifting the car like about half an inch to an inch in front, and probably half an inch from the rear. That should help with that situation. Just thank you guys for following your boy and just following the build. I appreciate you guys so much. It means a lot to me. On Instagram, I know most of you guys come from over there. Oh man, I appreciate the love you guys have been showing on my posts lately. Like, man, dude, it's been insane for this past month in August, man. Like, I've been getting so much love, and I appreciate it so damn much. I hope that transfers to my YouTube channel. Like I said, like, I really appreciate all the love I've been getting. I'm trying my best, so bear with me. I'm trying to post every Wednesday. The more stuff that we're gonna be doing to this car is gonna be insane. I just wait for it, man. I'm so excited to finally be doing the things I'm gonna do next. I've been wanting to do these things for a minute now. Oh, it's great. It's great. I love, like, most of you on Instagram, you already know what it is that I'm gonna be doing. I already said. So for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link is right in my bio, and you can see it right here. The new little animations we got going on. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, I really can't wait for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you stayed to the end, I appreciate you guys so fucking much. Y'all mean a lot to me. Y'all the reason why I'm still here doing videos, and we're growing little by little. Eventually we'll get to that 1,000 mark, and I will finally be getting some financial help from YouTube. Hopefully. I know it's not gonna be much, but I mean, it's still gonna help. So there's that. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. I can't wait to show you guys what we're doing next to the car. It's gonna be fucking awesome. I'm telling you that right now. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.